Sheriff Charles Hooper declared a state of emergency effective at 12:15 p.m. All unnecessary travel is banned because of treacherous and hazardous road conditions caused by heavy snow. Sheriff Hooper suggests that employers reduce their workforce during the next few hours in order to avoid clogging roadways. All vehicles should be removed from highways and streets so that snow removal work can proceed. All persons are urged to stay indoors to avoid contact with downed power lines and falling tree limbs. Fire hydrants should be cleared if at all possible. Exhaust stacks and chimneys should be cleared of snow accumulation that may block them. All non-critical movement should be suspended immediately until further notice, except for designated essential services such as fire, police, and hospital services, including the transportation of patients, utility emergency repairs, and emergency calls by physicians. All persons should refrain from using the telephone except for emergency situations, as we are informed that excessive use can overload the telephone system. We now resume regular programming with a reminder that you stay tuned for further information. Reports on this emergency will be updated regularly.
Still died of one nutritious dog food, chewing the dog chow every day.
Do you have any idea why deer are so bad?
Horses out safe. That's a good ending to that story. But with 25 inches of snowfall, it's no wonder fire and rescue crews had problems of their own on the roads today. Kimberly Flood tells us they've taken extra precautions to be sure they can do their job.
If you call for an ambulance or fire crews, will they be able to get to you? This fire truck was responding to an emergency call earlier today when it got stuck on Beatty Street. Firefighters there had to finish their rescue by foot.
There's a lot of snow and a lot of vehicles stuck. So we're unable to get down some side streets without getting stuck ourselves.
Airway Ambulance, however, is taking no chances. Their vehicles are equipped with chains on their tires.
Also, we have extra crews out stationed in more central locations because we know that the travel is difficult and a little bit slower.
Paramedics say that the biggest problem in getting people here to the emergency room is non-emergency drivers. Drivers out there who end up getting stuck and blocking the roadways.
Keeping the roads clear for emergency workers and you is a tough job, and keeping the plows on the road isn't easy either. Maintenance crews are working around the clock as well.
We blow a lot of hydraulic lines and plow blades you have to replace quite often, and just freezing ups and just to keep the trucks on the road is quite a chore.
In Elvira, plows started hitting the side streets around 6 o'clock tonight.
It's slow going, and there's a lot of snow out there, and it takes a lot longer than normal when it's this heavy. And the trucks are having a hard time. They're getting stuck, and they have to go around and park cars that have been, abandoned and everything. So it's just taking longer. There's a lot more to push out there.
Cars stuck in the middle of the road are a big problem, but some people have a unique solution to the problem of getting around in this mess. Guess it's a lot easier to dig a bike out of a snowdrift than a car. Well, to help out plow crews, the city is asking you to park on the odd side of your street after it's been cleared, then move your vehicle to the even side at midnight tonight. Crews have been out plowing since 2 o'clock this morning. In Corning, the National Guard has moved in to help clear the road. Here's how you can make plow crews' jobs easier.